Hi guys, this is part 3 of my fidget collection. So now we are doing marble mesh, I don't know how it is called. I got this in here because it's from the same material, and you can like, just do that, because that's sort of how you can fidget like with it. And now let's go to the pea poppers. One came with the Learning Express thing. I think I like this one better. It's easier to squish. And this one's face is like torn off or something. And we got random chickens. And we got slime. Simple dimples. This one, for some reason, bends when you pop it, but when you go to the side, it's not bending anymore. We got a cube maze. This thing, I really like it. It's, I keep on dropping stuff. It's cool when you like spin it. You got these magnetic rings. And I made this a long time ago. It's supposed to be like a puppet. This bite chain. Like, I got this in a trade and like string is almost gone. And now to the snapper and the wacky tracks. I added the wacky tracks with the snapper because you can make a DIY snapper. And I think I'll show you in this video or the next video. And this, you roll it around and it sticks. I got it at Chuck E. Cheese. I got this snake, this tangled, and this fidget pad, and this fidget cube. I got it like 2 days ago or yesterday, but I think I got it 2 days ago and from Walmart, and it was only $5. They're really like $15 or $20, and I'm so glad I got it cheap. And also, bye. See you in the next video. Peace.